Welcome this video landscape idea of the front of your Bloxburg house when it's come to create and invite and aesthetic place interior for your Bloxburg house landscape played or chose a role with the right mix of plants walk away lights to decoration elements. You can turn a simple living property into a stream. Slow price belong we expel landscape idea that balance functional and style. Your home stood out in the neighborhood. Find your space with fence and get start you outer the bound of your property with fence and guest a modern pick fence or stream wall can create a clean and structure look. Choose material and color that complement your home design. Guest with age and trend covered in various add a touch of elegance and provide a welcome enhance. Design part away and divide away. Part away and divide away and for guest visitor and create structure. Use material like stud or concrete to create part away lot to your front door. Part away add an original and natural feel while stood line of a modern aesthetic. Consider add stood bring by smart flower or bring to add jar. Incorporating layout with plants and stood. Layout plants create depend interior place stood or trend to bring and stood flower in the forest popular or boxable interior. Plants crest past tree bird medium stove